Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical garden tools set, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Garden Tools Set, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garden tools set from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tudoccy 83-Piece Garden Tools Set. Discover the ultimate gardening companion with the Tudoccy 83-Piece Garden Tools Set. This comprehensive all-in-one kit is designed to meet all your gardening needs, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned green thumbs. The set includes essential tools such as a trowel, transplanter, hand rake, cultivator, and pruner, alongside handy accessories like a spray bottle, plant rope, and 20 butterfly stakes. With 40 plant tags to keep your garden organized and 2 gloves featuring fingertip claws for easy digging, this kit ensures you're equipped for any task. Plus, it comes with 2 self-watering spikes and a mini succulent tool set for those intricate planting jobs. All items are neatly organized in a tote bag, making it easy to carry and store. Whether you're planting, pruning, or propagating, the Tudoccy Garden Tools Set has everything you need to cultivate your dream garden effortlessly. Number 2. FLORA 6-Pieces Garden Tools Set. Transform your gardening experience with the FLORA 6-Pieces Garden Tools Set. This complete assortment includes essential tools like a trowel, 5-teeth rake, 9-teeth leaf rake, double hoe with 3 prongs, cultivator, and weeder, perfect for a variety of tasks such as digging, weeding, and loosening soil. Crafted from high-carbon steel, these tools boast a heavy-duty construction that ensures durability and reliability, meeting the demands of any gardening enthusiast. The corrosion and scratch-resistant surface make maintenance a breeze, while the flexible and durable handles, designed with a double-layer structure, provide a comfortable grip for effortless use. Whether you're planting vegetables, herbs, or flowers, this set is ideal for all your gardening needs. Plus, it makes a thoughtful gift for any gardening lover. Elevate your gardening game with the FLORA Garden Tools Set and enjoy the fruits of your labor with ease. Number 3. UKOKE 12-Piece Garden Tool Set. Get ready to elevate your gardening experience with the UKOKE 12-Piece Garden Tool Set. This comprehensive collection features heavy-duty pruning shears and 12 essential gardening tools, all crafted with high-carbon SK5 steel for exceptional durability and sharpness. The set includes 5 heavy-duty hand tools, a rake, spade, trowelator, and cultivator, each designed from high-quality cast aluminum alloy for long-lasting performance. Stay organized with the included waterproof polyester apron, featuring numerous pockets for your tools and a comfy kneeling pad. Ergonomically designed anti-slip handles ensure comfort and reduce strain during extended use, while the included Garden Genie gloves provide added convenience for weeding, planting, and pruning. Plus, with a 30-day refund policy and a 12-month replacement guarantee, your satisfaction is assured. The UKOKE Garden Tools Set is perfect for gardening enthusiasts and makes a fantastic gift for anyone passionate about plants. Number 4. Grenebo 9-Piece Gardening Tools Set. Introducing the Grenebo 9-Piece Gardening Tools Set, your ultimate companion for effortless garden maintenance. This sturdy set is crafted from high-strength stainless steel, ensuring durability and rust resistance for long-lasting use. It includes essential tools like pruning shears, a weeder, transplanter, and cultivator, everything you need to keep your garden thriving. Designed with comfort in mind, each tool features an ergonomic, non-slip wooden handle that accommodates various hand sizes, making it perfect for everyone from kids to seniors. The set also comes with a stylish floral-patterned storage bag that adds a touch of vintage charm to your gardening experience. Each tool has a dedicated hanging hole for easy storage when not in use. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a gardening enthusiast, the Grenebo Gardening Tools Set is an ideal choice for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion. Number 5. Citybay 10-Piece Stainless Steel Garden Tools Set. Introducing the Citybay 10-Piece Stainless Steel Garden Tools Set, the perfect solution for all your gardening needs. Made from thickened stainless steel, these tools are built to last, offering exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. Lightweight and designed for flexibility, they ensure that you can work efficiently without hand fatigue. Each tool features an ergonomic soft handle made from non-slip rubber, providing excellent grip and reducing strain on your wrists and hands, ideal for gardeners of all skill levels, including those with arthritis. This comprehensive kit includes a hand rake, cultivator, pruning saw, weeding knife, garden trowel, and more, ensuring you have everything you need to cultivate a vibrant garden. The durable tote bag, crafted from 600D Oxford cloth, features ample storage and 8 pockets for easy organization. Perfect as a gardening starter kit or a thoughtful gift for any occasion, the Citybay Garden Tool Set is ready to help you create your dream garden. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.